Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on and set up Energy Saver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box settings and then hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your left side menu and click on system. And in the system, you can scroll down until you find power and battery. And then you will find energy saver here. So you can click on it. And as you can see, you can choose to always use energy saver. You can just click this toggle to turn it on, or you can turn it off. It's up to you. And then if you choose to turn it off, you can set up turn on saver, energy saver on automatically when battery level is at, you can set it up maybe 10, 20, or 30%. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose 20%. And you can also choose if you want to lower screen brightness when energy is using energy saver. It's up to you. I'm choose to turn it on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join our membership. Thank you.